You got to be this.
गुड इवनिंग। दिस अनाउंसमेंट एक की मिला है यहाँ पे, जिनका अगर गिरा है किसी का की तो आप ले सकते हैं। evening, the 17th prize night. I am your host, Saurabh Prasad.
And myself, Ananya Ray. On behalf of whole Holy Cross family, we extend a cordial welcome to all ladies and gentlemen to this auspicious evening, the 17th prize night.
दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से,
महफिल में रौनक आ गई आप सभी के आने से।
आज होली क्रॉस विद्यालय के प्रांगण में 17वीं प्राइज नाइट की पावन पुनीत बेला में आप सभी के समक्ष विभिन्न रंगारंग कार्यक्रमों को प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा।
On behalf of whole Holy Cross family, we extend a cordial welcome to all ladies and gentlemen to this auspicious evening, the 17th prize night.
दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से,
महफिल में रौनक आ गई आप सभी के आने से।
आज होली क्रॉस विद्यालय के प्रांगण में 17वीं प्राइज नाइट की पावन पुनीत बेला में आप सभी के समक्ष विभिन्न रंगारंग कार्यक्रमों को प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा। Before we begin our cultural fest, let us welcome our chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Singh, GM, Coal, Tata Steel Limited, West Bokaro and Chariya Divisions. Guest of honor, Reverend Sister Rosalie Kolancheri, Provincial Superior, Central Province, Holy Cross School.
Mr. Anurag Dixit, Chief SCB Chairman, Holy Cross School. They are already in our midst and are being brought forward by our respected school managers, Sister Lilith John, and beloved principal, Sister Selina Sangeeta Beck.
बेहद मनमोहक है यह दृश्य। हमारे मुख्य अतिथि और विशिष्ट अतिथियों का स्वागत स्कूल बैंड द्वारा हो रहा है।
Our esteemed guests are now being welcomed and brought to our midst, accompanied by the rhythmic beats of the school band. Myself Ananya Ray
and I am Saurabh Prasad.
आप सभी के निज आगमन से प्रफुल्लित हो गया बागवा सारा।
बहारें आ गई महफिल में और पुलकित हो गया मन हमारा। It is our pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to you all.
Your gracious presence, spirits. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in the most cordial of welcomes.
दीपो ज्योति परम ज्योति, दीपो ज्योति जनार्दना,
दीपो हरितु मे पापम, दीपो ते नमस्तुते.
Let us now invite the dignitaries for the traditional lamp lighting ceremony.
May we now request our honorable chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Singh, GM, Coal, Tata Steel Limited, West Bokaro and Chariya Divisions.
Guest of honor, Sister Rosalie Kolancheri, Provincial Superior, Central Province, Hazaribagh.
Mr. Anurag Dixit, Chief SCB Chairman, Holy Cross School.
Shri Mohan Mehato, President, RCMS.
Sister Lilith John, Manager, Holy Cross School, to light the lamp.
We also request our beloved sister, beloved principal, Sister Selina Sangeeta Beck, to escort them. Sister, please. Sir, please.
दीपो ज्योति परम दीपो ज्योति जनार्दन दीपो हरतु मे पापम दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते शुभ करोति कल्याणम सुखं सम्पदाय द्वेष बुद्धि विनाशाय आत्मज्योति नमोस्तुते आत्मज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपो ज्योति परं ज्योति दीपो ज्योति जनार्दन दीपो हरतु मे पापं दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते शुभ करोति कल्याणं आरोग्य नमोस्तुते.
Saurav, the lighted lamps reminds me of Diwali.
Yes, but just by lighting lamps, we could not have celebrated Diwali.
Yes, we must become the light that guides everyone on the right path.
When the light of wisdom shines within us, we become free from all negative emotions and tendencies.
Setting all the of caste, religion, region, and aside, we become.
Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly announce the theme of our 17th prize night, Being Human. This function has one more speciality, Ananya.
Yes, as we have entered the 150th year of the Gandhian era, we dedicate this grand occasion in memory of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
This is not just an occasion to remember him, but also the values that made him a Mahatma.
The notion of returning love for hatred and good for evil enthralled him. Now, we invite Mr. Pudit for the safety announcement.
Good evening, everybody. Holy Cross School Safe Club wishes you a healthy and safe stay here. The club would like to give you some safety measures. The place where we are sitting is football ground. There are only two ways out from here. In case of any emergency, please do not get panicked. Keep your mind cool. Keep your mind possibly stay away from the problem, and proceed out through the main gate there, and this will be only for all the audience. In such case, the participants of the program will take the way from the way that leads to grills, which proceeds from the grills. And in any case of injuries, please visit the first aid stall here. Thank you. Let's be blessed.
Fades away, let us seek strength and inspiration from the divine light, the divine presence.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you a delightful and soulful prayer song.
मुझको अपनी शांति का हे प्रभु साधन बना लो, मुझको अपनी शांति का हो जहाँ मेरा में प्रीत भर दो, प्रीत भर दो हो जहाँ आधार में क्षमा भर दो, क्षमा भर दो हो जहाँ शंका में विश्वास भर दो, ऐसा तुम कर दो, ऐसा तुम कर दो, ऐसा तुम कर दो। Lord, make us instruments of your peace. Where there is hatred, let your love increase. Lord, make us instruments of your peace. Walls of pride and prejudice shall cease. Where we are your instruments of peace.
The famous peace prayer by Saint Francis of Assisi clearly depicts our theme, Ananya.
Without further delay, let's welcome our guest through a welcome speech.
For this, we welcome on stage Ms. Cheryl Bhaskar, Senior Faculty, Department of English.
Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Sanjay Singh, GM Coal, Tata Steel Limited, West Bokaro and Jharia Division. Guest of Honor, Sister Rosalie Kolangeri, Provincial Superior, Central Province, Holy Cross. Mr. Anurag Dikshit, Chief SCB, Chairman of the School Managing Committee. Sister Lilis John Nalayal, Manager, and Sister Selina Sangeeta Beck, Principal, Holy Cross School, Gato. Esteemed guests, special invitees, the other dignitaries, dear parents, all our well-wishers present on this cold winter evening. A very warm good evening to you all. All birds find shelter during the rain, but the eagle avoids rain by flying over the clouds. The famous words of our late President APJ Abdul Kalam. Problems are common, but the attitude and approach, that is what makes the difference. We have in our midst today a person who fits this description perfectly. Our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Sanjay Singh. Sir, Holy Cross family has been associated with you for long, beginning with your tenure as the chairman of our local managing committee. And we, of all the people, have been glad to have you back as the general manager here. Those who are closely associated with you know you as a person who has the courage to make tough decisions. You're widely accepted as a people-friendly person with immense patience and the knack to settle differences amicably. In the years gone by, we have experienced your endless care, guidance and support, and your compassion to listen to those in need. You're a person with a golden heart, sir. The manager, principal, staff, and students of Holy Cross Gato welcome you from the depth of our heart. Our esteemed guest of honor, Sister Rosalie Colangeri is a qualified lawyer who has chosen to fight the losing battles fought by the less privileged in the society. An inspiring personality, passionate about uplifting the downtrodden, Sister has won many awards for her exemplary social works in Hazaribagh and Ramgarh districts. The fragrance of a flower spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. That is the case with you, sister. You are a beacon of hope for the suffering humanity during these times of spiritual poverty. Holy Cross family extends you an affable welcome, dear sister. Next, we welcome Mr. Anurag Dikshit, Chairman, School Managing Committee. Sir, you have been instrumental in many developmental works in the school. We appreciate your keen interest in our issues. We offer you the most cordial of welcomes. We welcome the LMC members too to this function. We are deeply appreciative of all what the chiefs and officers of the various departments, the CMO, the medical staff have been doing in times of our needs. Sirs and ma'ams, it's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all of you. My thoughts next go to Sri Mohan Madhav, President, and Sri Sitaram Prasad, Joint Secretary, RCMS, who have remained a solid support to us. May I offer you a hearty welcome, sirs. We are glad to welcome Sri Mahesh Prasad, former President, and Sri Shambhu Sharan Singh, former Secretary, RCMS. It's a delight to have the principals of the various schools in our midst today. Father Rosenard Ghalko, SJ Principal, St. Xavier's School, Hazaribagh. Sister Kirti Kiran, Principal, Holy Cross School, Hazaribagh. Father Birendra Turki, SJ Principal, Masi Marcel School, Charhi. And all the dear sisters and fathers of the neighboring communities who have set aside many important works to join us today. We feel honored to have you here, and it's my pleasant duty to bid a genial welcome to you. With immense pleasure, we welcome our parents. We cherish your partnership and collaboration in all our endeavors, without which the growth of this institution would have remained a mere dream. We extend a special welcome to all of you and anticipate your continued support in our journey ahead. We are delighted to offer the most hospitable welcome to the media personnel, the officials from the police department, security, bank, post office, and all our benefactors. We have been fellow travelers all these years, and we deeply appreciate your silent promise to be with us forever. The prize night is not just a biennial event in the school's calendar. It's an occasion to showcase the artistic talents and the aptitude and acumen of our students, and also be assured of your constant support and encouragement. Though there are no stars in the sky, you will get to see our brightest stars on the stage today. Please enjoy the cultural bonanza. Thank you.
नहीं सकता कि हमारे अतिथि हमारे बीच पधारे और उनके स्वागत में कोई कसर रह जाए।
आप सभी की उपस्थिति से हमारा मन कितना प्रफुल्लित है, ये हम शब्दों में बयां नहीं कर सकते। तो प्रस्तुत है एक स्वागत गान।
सुधारे और उनके स्वागत में कोई कसर रह जाए।
आप सभी की उपस्थिति से हमारा मन कितना प्रफुल्लित है, ये हम शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकते। तो प्रस्तुत है एक स्वागत गान।
सिखाते हैं हमेशा हंसते रहना।
नदियाँ सिखाती है हर परिस्थिति में आगे बढ़ते रहना।
और समुद्री जीव सिखाते हैं मिलजुल कर खुशहाली से रहना।
The God in His benevolence has gifted us this beautiful nature with the 5 elements, from the raging flames of fire to the liquid blue of aqua,
from the indefinable air to the indestructible earth. One of the most important elements is water.
And how can we forget about the marine animals who play an important role in our ecosystem?
तो प्रस्तुत है आप सभी के सामने प्राइमरी के नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों द्वारा मरीन वर्ल्ड।
What each of us could do to help them survive another million years or two. And the dolphin said, keep the ocean clean, that's the most important thing. Please take the trash out of the beach, recycle most everything, find out what pollutes the sea, and ask your friends to help keep the ocean clean. After all, the ocean is our home, said my friends the dolphins. After all, the ocean is our home. That's the fascinating sharks what each of us could do to help them survive another million years or two. And the pointy of the blue and the hammerhead too said, you know what to do, you know what to do, you know what to do. Keep the ocean clean, that's the most important thing. Please take the trash up off the beach, recycle most everything, find out what pollutes the sea, and ask your friends to help keep the ocean clean. After all, the ocean can do this together. I bet you feel better when you dance. Yeah, yeah. When you finally let go, you say that solo. 'Cause you listen to the music, sing it oh, oh. 'Cause you're confident that you'll make it right. We knew that you could do it, sing oh, oh. Show the world you got that fire, fire. Feel the rhythm get louder. Show them what you can do. Move to the new rhythm moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. We can do this together. I bet you feel better when you dance. Yeah,
Small children dancing in marine animal outfits.
You are right, Ananya. Besides, they have given us the message. With water bodies, that marine animals also survive in their natural habitat. Manishad pratishtam tvati sama yat krauncha midhuna dekamavati kam mohitam.
Wow, Saurabh, you exactly sound like a Munivar.
Doubt not, Ananya. First slok from Ramayana by Maharshi Valmiki.
But why this sudden fascination about Sanskrit slokas?
You know, Ananya, Sanskrit is the mother of all languages.
Come on, Saurabh, who doesn't know this? That is from Sanskrit that all the world languages have so freely borrowed.
जी बिल्कुल। तो आइए, होली क्रॉस के इतिहास में पहली बार पौराणिक भाषा की महत्ता को संस्कृत नाट्य मंचन के द्वारा प्रदर्शित करते देखेंगे।
Both for the enjoyment and edification of our audience,
Here we are presenting before you two beautiful episodes from the lives of Maharshi Valmiki
and Mahakavi Kalidas.
परिवर्तनम।
होता है, सभी को मारता है। एक बार नारद को लूटने का प्रयास किया। महर्षि नारद ने कहा कि क्या जो तुम ये कार्य कर रहे हो इसका भागी कोई बनेगा, इस पाप का भागी कोई बनेगा, जाओ सभी से पूछ के आना। रत्नाकर ने कहा कि जी, सभी को पूछ के आता है। माता पिता पत्नी पुत्र को सबने कहा कि नहीं, तुम्हारे द्वारा जो कार्य किया जा रहा है उसका फल तुम ही भोगोगे, मैं नहीं। यह बात सुनकर रत्नाकर को बहुत पश्चाताप होता है। वह नारद के चरणों में गिर पड़ता है और कहता, प्रभु हमें मार्ग दिखाइए, हमसे अपराध हुआ है, हमसे पाप हुआ है। नारद ने कहा, रामम शरणम गच्छ, राम के शरण में जाओ। और राम के शरण में जाने के बाद वह तपस्या करते हैं। तपस्या के बाद वह वाल्मीकि बनकर प्रकट होते हैं, जो एक सारस को मारने के बाद भी उन्हें इतनी पीड़ा होती है कि वह संस्कृत के काव्य में उसे श्राप दे देते हैं। और महर्षि वाल्मीकि को ब्रह्मा आशीर्वाद देते हैं कि तुम रामायण की रचना करो। द्वितीय दृश्य में आप देखेंगे कि कालिदास जो सर्वप्रथम मूर्ख था, काशी नरेश की पुत्री विद्योत्तमा ने प्रण किया था कि मैं उसी से विवाह करूंगी जो मुझे शास्त्रार्थ में पराजित करेगा। वह मूर्ख उसके महल में प्रवेश करता है मोदक खाने के लिए, लड्डू खाने के लिए। वहां पर देखता है शास्त्रार्थ चल रहा है, इसके साथ भी शास्त्रार्थ होता है। यह संयोगवश शास्त्रार्थ में जीत जाता है। उसके बाद विद्योत्तमा से उसका विवाह होता है। अचानक किसी जानवर की आवाज आती है, विद्योत्तमा डर जाती है और अपने स्वामी से पूछती है कि प्रभु यह किसकी आवाज है इतनी भयानक। वह हंसते हुए कहता है यह तो ऊंट की आवाज है, और ऊंट शब्द का प्रयोग संस्कृत में उसने अशुद्ध किया। विद्योत्तमा उसको अपमानित करके अपने महल से निकाल देती है। वह रोते हुए माता काली के शरण में जाता है, तपस्या करता है और माता काली उसे महाकवि कालिदास बनने का आशीर्वाद देती है, जो भी आप अवलोकन करेंगे। धन्यवाद। अहम रत्नाकरः दस्युः रत्नाकरः अत्र तादृशः कोऽपि नास्ति यः मत्सः निरयितुं शक्यते। अरे कोऽपि आगच्छति। अहमत्र निलीयामि।
कातवकन्ता कस्ते पुत्रः संसारोऽयमतीव विचित्रः कस्य त्वं वा कूत आयातः तत्त्वं चिन्तय यदीदं भ्रातः।
अहि अधिकः तिष्ठतु। अहमस्मि दस्यु रत्नाकरः। तिष्ठतु। तव पार्श्वे यत्किञ्चित् अस्ति मह्यं दीयताम्, अन्यथा अनेन खड्गेन तव मस्तकं छिन्दामि।
नारायण नारायण।
वत्से अहमस्मि सर्वत्यागी सन्यासी। मम पार्श्वे केवलम् एषा वीणा तथा प्रभु नाम अस्ति।
त्वं मिथ्या वदसि। यत्किञ्चित् अस्ति शीघ्रं दीयताम्।
त्वं स्वयमेव अन्वेष्यतु। वत्से त्वां दृष्ट्वा मह्यं दयामायाति। त्वं किमर्थं कस्य कृते च एतत् पापकार्यं करोति?
पापं कस्य कृते? मम पितरौ धर्मभार्याः सुतस्य कृते।
कदापि चिन्तनं कृतवान्? येषां कृते त्वं पापकार्यं करोषि ते तव पापकार्ये अंशिनः भविष्यन्ति।
किमर्थं नैव? अहम् एतत् पापकार्यं तु तेभ्यः कल्याणाय एव करोमि।
अस्तु, तदा त्वं तान् पृष्ट्वा आगच्छ। अहम् अत्रैव दण्डायमान भविष्यामि तथा च त्वां प्रतीक्षां करिष्यामि।
अहं मूर्खः नास्मि। अहं मूर्खः नास्मि। यदा अहं गृहं गमिष्यामि तदा त्वं निश्चयेन पलायनं करिष्यसि।
यदि सन्देहः अस्ति तर्हि अस्मिन् वृक्षे मां बाध्यतु।
अस्तु, उत्तमम्। अम्बा अम्बा, पिताश्री, पुत्र, प्रिय, आगच्छत। अद्य प्रभृतिः अहं चौरकार्यं पापकार्यं भवन्तः कल्याणाय तथा युष्मान् कृते कुर्वन् अस्मि। किं भवन्तः सर्वे मम पापकार्ये अंशेन भविष्यन्ति?
हे रत्नाकर, आवां तव पितरौ स्वः त्वं कथं धनम् आनयति? आवां किं जानव? आवयोः पालनं पोषणं तव कर्तव्यमस्ति।
किं कथयसि त्वं? त्वं केन प्रकारेण धनं भोजनम् आनयसि अहं किमर्थं जाने? अस्माकं पालनं पोषणं तव कर्तव्यम् अस्ति।
मम पालनं पोषणं भवतः कार्यं। किमर्थं भवतः कार्ये अंशेन भविष्यामि अहम्?
किमर्थं पापं कृतवान्? कस्य कृते कृतवान् पापमहम्? अयि ऋषे, अद्य मम नेत्रं निलीयते। अहम् अपराधी अस्मि, अहं पापी अस्मि, मुढ्ढो अस्मि।
उत्तिष्ठ रत्नाकर, अद्य तव पापात् मुक्ते समय आगच्छन् अस्ति।
कथं प्रभो कथं? अहं तु अपराधी अस्मि, अहं तु पापी अस्मि प्रभो, पापी अस्मि।
रामस्य शरणं गच्छ तव सर्व पापं नष्टं भविष्यति। वद राम।
नैव प्रभो नैव, अनेन पापी मुखात् ईश्वरस्य नामापि न निस्सरति प्रभो, न निस्सरति।
अस्तु वत्स, त्वं मरा वद।
मरा 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 मरा।
अस्य वृक्षस्य अध उपविशय त्वम् अस्य नामना साधनां कुरु।
सर्वं मायामयमिदमखिलं हित्वा ब्रह्मपदं प्रविशाशु विदित्वा।
उत्तिष्ठ वत्स, अद्य तव नवजनम् अभवत्। अद्य प्रवृत्ति त्वं दस्युरत्नाकर नासि। अधुना त्वं वाल्मीकि। त्वम् अस्मिन् संसारे बृहद् कार्यस्य कृते ईश्वरेण प्रेषितः अस्ति।
मिलितं प्राप्तम्। अद्य भोजनं समीचीनं भविष्यति।
कः दुष्टः अस्य क्रौञ्चस्य वधं कृतवान्। त्वं गमः शाश्वते समाः। यत् क्रौञ्चमिथुना एकं काममोहतम्।
हे पुत्र, अद्य प्रभृतिः त्वं महाकवि, त्वं महर्षि वाल्मीकिः। युग युगान्तर सर्वे मनुष्याः त्वां सदैव स्मरिष्यन्ति। आयुष्मान् भव पुत्र, विद्वान् भव पुत्र। ईशः किं दृश्यसङ्कल्पः पुत्री? तव सदृशी कोऽपि ज्ञानी अस्ति वा न, यः तां पराजेतुं शक्नोति?
पिताश्री, यस्य पार्श्वे ज्ञानमस्ति तेन सह विवाहः करिष्यामि अहम्। मम कृते धनस्य किमपि महत्त्वं नास्ति। एतत्तु क्षणिकः अस्ति यत् एकस्मिन् समये नष्टं भविष्यति। अतः ज्ञान एव सर्वोपरि।
अयि कः त्वं?
प्रभो, एषा मुठा हठेन अन्ते आगतवान्।
अहं तु मोदकं खादितुम् आगच्छम्।
किं त्वं परीक्षा दातुम् आगतवान्?
किं कथयति? किं मोदकं खादितुम् अपि परीक्षा ददाम्यहम्?
अस्तु, सैनिकः यूयं गच्छत। पुत्री, गच्छ त्वं परीक्षा नेतुं सज्जः भव।
एषा मम एकं नेत्रं नष्टं करिष्यति। अहं तु अस्य द्वे नेत्रे नष्टं करिष्यामि।
सत्यम् उत्तरं पिताश्री।
अहं किमपि नावगच्छम्। अस्य किमर्थः?
मम प्रश्नम् आसीत् यत् ईश्वरः एकः अस्ति, परन्तु एषः आर्यपुत्रः मम भ्रमः निवारयितुम्। आर्यपुत्रस्य उत्तरम् आसीत् यत् ईश्वरः तु एकः, परञ्च तस्य द्वे रूपे, एकः आत्मा, द्वितीय परमात्मा च।
ओ, अस्तु अस्तु, अवगतम्।
अग्रिम प्रश्नः अस्ति।
अरे पुनः स मह्यं चपेटिका मारिष्यति। अहं तु येन प्रकारेण ताडयामि।
मम पराजयं स्वीक्रियताम् आर्यपुत्रः।
किम् अर्थमासीत् पुत्री? मह्यं कथयतु।
अहं प्रश्नं कृतवती यत् अस्माकं शरीरं पञ्चतत्त्वैः निर्मितं जातं, परन्तु आर्यपुत्रस्य उत्तरम् आसीत् यत् शरीरस्य निर्माणं पञ्चतत्त्वैः मिलित्वा एव अभवत्।
धन्यस्तु हे आर्यपुत्रः, धन्यः।
आर्यपुत्रः, एषः कस्य ध्वनिः?
एषः तु उड्रस्य ध्वनिः अस्ति।
किमुक्तवान्? पुनः वद।
अरे किं त्वम् उड्रं न जानासि खलु?
त्वं मूर्खः, महामूर्खः, कपटी। त्वं ज्ञानी मनुष्यस्य वेशभूषाधारणं कृत्वा अस्मिन् प्रासादे आगतवान्। अयि मूर्खः, गच्छ, बहिः गच्छ त्वम्, अघोराहि।
दुःखं बहु दुःखं। सत्यं सत्यं मूर्खोऽस्मि, मूढोऽस्मि अहं। हे मां, रक्षां करोतु, त्राहि मां, त्राहि मां। यदि त्वं मह्यं ज्ञानं न दास्यसि तर्हि अहं स्वजीवां कर्तयामि। हे मातु, दुःखस्य निवारणं करोतु, भवती तु जगदम्बा मम कष्टं हरतु, अन्यथा निश्चयेन जीवां कर्तयामि।
तिष्ठ पुत्र, तिष्ठ। अहं तव भक्त्या तुष्टो अस्मि। अद्य अहं वरदानं ददामि यत् अत्प्रभृति तव मुखात् सरस्वत्याः त्वं यत् वदिष्यसि तत् एव काव्यं भविष्यति। गच्छ पुत्र, विद्वान् भव, आयुष्मान् भव।
आषाढस्य प्रथम दिवसे मेघमाश्लिष्टसानो वप्रक्रीडा परिणता गजा प्रेक्षणीयं ददार्श, प्रेक्षणीयं ददार्श।
Truly a performance par excellence. People, the living, breathing, growing beings, their motivation is the driving force behind their change.
It's this awareness that makes us truly human.
Now that this awareness is within us, Ananya, I feel we have been here for a very long time, right?
That's exactly how I do feel, Saurabh. Let's offer a chance to someone else too.
There, you are truly being human, Ananya. Ladies and gentlemen, we leave you here in the safe and efficient hands of two of our young friends.
We are sure you will enjoy the show all the more with their endearing presence. Thank you. We will be back again.
I'm Samriti Singh and myself Ved Sharma. Taking the thread from Saurabh Bhaiya and Adna Didi, we are here to lead you on this journey of being human. Bapuji said we must become the change we want to see in the world. He taught us that we can bring harmony to our world by becoming champions of love and peace for all. But for that, we need to have a proper understanding about the different countries and their culture. I fully agree with your way. तो क्यों न हम अपने ऑडियंस को हॉली क्रॉस में बैठे बैठे पूरी दुनिया की सैर कराएं? क्या ये तुम क्या कह रही हो? विदेश की सैर, वो भी विदाउट पासपोर्ट एंड वीजा? That's so cool. On the first leg of our tour, we'll give them a feel of the rich natural beauty of our home state through the traditional Nagpuri dance, and then we will take them from the Indian shores straight to Japan and Korea. So it's time for some masti and mazak. Coming up next is Dance with